Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to confirm transactions on TrustWallet. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TrustWallet app. So here it is. Make sure you are logged into TrustWallet. Now we need to go to the crypto we want to know the transaction details about. So let's go for this one. Here we can see transactions will appear here. All the transactions we have done will be appearing here. And to check further, you can simply click on Check Explorer. And here's the address, and here's the balance, total received and spent. All of the details of our transactions will be appearing here. And you can get the wallet statement by simply tapping on wallet statement here. And you can get the PDF of the dates you want. So the statement, that is transaction details, is ready to download here. So this is it. This is all we can do to confirm any transactions on TrustWallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.